Welcome to the channel, guys, where we bring you the best advice on how to take care of your car. In this video, we're going to be talking about the basics of car tuning and how to increase your car's performance by boosting its horsepower. So if you're a car enthusiast, then this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of car tuning, let's first define what is car tuning. Car tuning is a process of modifying a car's performance to make it faster, more responsive, and efficient. This can be done by adjusting or replacing the engine, transmission, suspension, and other components to increase the car's horsepower. Car tuning is popular among car enthusiasts who are always looking for ways to improve their car's performance. It's a way to personalize your car and make it stand out from the crowd. Car tuning can range from simple upgrades like installing an aftermarket air intake or more complex modification like installing a turbocharger or a supercharger. The goal of a car tuning is to enhance the performance of your car. This can include improving acceleration, top speed, handling, and overall driving experience. There are many factors to consider when it comes to car tuning, and it can be a complicated process. However, with the right knowledge and expertise, car tuning can be a fun and rewarding experience. Now, let's see how we can increase horsepower for our car. One of the primary goals of car tuning is to increase horsepower. Horsepower is the measurement of a car's power output. The more horsepower a car has, the faster it can go. So here are some of the ways to boost your car's horsepower. The number one, air intake. One of the easiest way to increase horsepower is to install an aftermarket air intake. An air intake allows your engine to breathe in more air, which can improve its performance. The factory air intake system is designed to reduce noise and filter the air, which can restrict the amount of air that enters the engine. An aftermarket air intake can increase the amount of air that enters the engine, which can improve performance and horsepower. Number two, exhaust system. Upgrading your car's exhaust system can also help improve horsepower. A less restrictive exhaust system allows more air to escape the engine, which can increase horsepower and torque. The factory exhaust system is designed to reduce noise and emission, which can restrict the amount of air that exits the engine. An aftermarket exhaust system can increase the amount of air that exits the engine, which can improve performance and horsepower. Number three, engine control unit. ECU remapping. The ECU controls your car's engine and can be programmed to provide better performance. Remapping your ECU can increase horsepower and torque by optimizing the air-fuel ratio and ignition timing. The factory ECU is designed to provide a balance between performance, fuel economy, and emission. An aftermarket ECU can be programmed to prioritize performance, which can increase horsepower and torque. And number four, supercharger or turbocharger. If you want to take your car's performance to the next level, you can install a supercharger or a turbocharger. They force more air into the engine, resulting in more power and faster acceleration. A turbocharger is a turbine-driven processor that forces more air into the engine. Both superchargers and turbochargers can increase horsepower and torque, but they can be expensive and require professional installation. While increasing horsepower can be exciting, guys, it's essential to consider other factors that can affect your car's performance. Here are some things to keep in mind. Number one, suspension. Upgrading your suspension can improve your car's handling and cornering ability. This can make your car faster in turns and increase overall performance. There are many suspension upgrades available, such as lowering springs, coilovers, and sway bars. Lowering springs can lower your car ride's height, which can improve handling and reduce body roll. Coilovers are adjustable suspension systems that allow you to adjust the ride height, stiffness of your suspension. Number two, tires. Your car's tires play a crucial role in its performance. High-performance tires can improve traction, acceleration, and braking distance. There are many different types of tires available, including summer tires, winter tires, and all-season tires. Summer tires are designed for high-performance driving and provide excellent traction in dry condition. Winter tires are designed for cold and snowy condition and provide excellent traction on snow and ice. All-season tires provide a balance between performance and all-weather traction. Number three, weight reduction. Removing unnecessary weight from your car can improve performance. Lighter cars can accelerate faster and have better handling. There are many ways to reduce the weight in your car, such as removing the spare tire, replacing heavy parts with lighter parts, and removing unnecessary accessories. Number 4. Brakes. Upgrading your car's brake can improve stopping power and reduce braking distance. High-performance brake pads and rotors can provide better braking performance than factory brakes. Brake upgrades can be expensive, guys, but they can be essential for high-performance driving. Bringing us to number 5 and the most important, fluids. Using high-quality fluids can improve your car's performance and reliability. Engine oil, transmission fluid, and brake fluid all play important roles in your car's performance. High-quality fluids can help reduce friction and heat, which can improve performance and extend the life of your car's component. So that's it for our Tuning 101 guide on how to boost your car's performance and get more horsepower. Remember, guys, increasing horsepower is just one aspect of car tuning. There are many other factors to consider when it comes to improving car's performance. Upgrading your car's intake, exhaust system, the ECU can provide significant horsepower gains as well. However, it's essential to consider other factors like suspension, tires, weight reduction, brakes, and fluids to improve your car's overall performance. Car tuning can be fun and a rewarding experience, but it's important to do it safely and responsibly. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful in your car tuning journey, guys. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with professionals before making any significant modifications to your car. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also car enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you and help you with any car-related concerns that you may have. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.